Understanding, let's have a cuppa, a dive into British English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a charming phrase from British English that you might come across in movies, books, or even during a visit to the UK. The phrase is, let's have a cuppa. If you're curious about what it means and when to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets of this cozy expression together. The phrase, let's have a cuppa, is a casual, friendly way of saying, let's have a cup of tea. The word, cuppa, is a colloquial term that derives from a cup of. While it traditionally refers to tea, given the UK's strong tea-drinking culture, it can also loosely imply having a cup of coffee or any hot beverage. This phrase embodies a sense of warmth, relaxation, and companionship. In the UK, having a cuppa is much more than just drinking tea. It's a significant part of British culture. It symbolizes taking a break, catching up with friends, or comforting someone. The act of offering a cuppa is a gesture of hospitality and friendliness. Understanding this cultural context can help you appreciate the depth of this simple phrase. You can use let's have a cuppa in informal settings, whether you're inviting someone over for tea, suggesting a break during a busy day, or wanting to have a chat. It's a versatile phrase that fosters a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. Here's how you might use it in conversation. After arriving home from work, I've had such a long day. Let's have a cuppa and relax. When a friend visits, great to see you. Let's have a cuppa and catch up. While cuppa is most commonly associated with tea, you might also hear variations like cup of joe in other English-speaking countries, referring specifically to a cup of coffee. It's interesting to see how a simple concept can adapt and change across different cultures while maintaining its essence of sharing a moment of relaxation. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, let's have a cuppa, and the warm, inviting culture it represents. Next time you hear it, you'll understand not just the words, but the friendly spirit behind them. So, why not embrace this lovely British tradition? Whether it's tea, coffee, or your favorite hot drink, sharing a cuppa can be a wonderful way to connect and relax. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.